We have bread and salami.
I didn't get pizza.
No, we didn't bread and salami.
You're not doing pizza.
What?
You're not getting any pizza first?
I can't eat it.
Why? What's wrong with the oil?
Huh?
What's wrong with the oil?
No, I've been overeating on pizza.
What?
I've overeaten on pizza.
Ah.
I've just eaten too much.
Right. You haven't had any pizza this hike. Aren't you getting a craving?
Dude,
What happened?
Shit. What? It's still alive, everybody. What happened?
The camera fell.
But it's alive. Nobody panic. Ben, stop panicking.
Well, of course you can drop a camera a few meters without it getting hurt. We all know that.
It's my camera. It's delicate. And it's got 10 times optical zoom.
Oh, I like that. I like it.
Ow.
What happened?